everyone, how you doing? In our last video we talked about the importance of record structure. Today we're going to be talking on the importance of order block. So first of all, we'll look at the definition of order block. So order block are where we expect the market to come back down and touch before continuing the trend of the market. So maybe the market is an uptrend. We're expecting the market to come down to somewhere on which we call OB, touch it, and continue the trend of the market if it's an uptrend. If it is downtrend, we're expecting the market to come down. We're expecting the market to go up, touch the OB, and continue the trend of the market. So that is what is order block. So whenever you see your trend line of the market, you know either it's an uptrend or it's a downtrend. The next thing you look for is your break of structure. So it's an uptrend, you're looking for break of structure to the upside, downtrend, you're looking for break of structure to the downside. So after looking for your break of structure, let's do it with an uptrend chart. After looking for your break of structure, how do you get your OB? That is what is supposed to be the question that is going to be asked at this moment. How do I get my order block? How do I get my OB? For you to get your OB, you mark out there's what we call Fibonacci retracement. So you mark out your Fibonacci retracement and put it below the break of structure to the top of where the break of structure stops, which is here. So for us to get our origin, we mark out the 61.8 in our Fibonacci, on which is this. I would like to go to the chart too and show you clear examples. So this thing is not for only uptrend, it's also for downtrend. So what are we expecting the market to do now? We're expecting the market to come down to this OB, touch it, and start going back up and form another break of structure. Then this break of structure, you follow it again, put your Fibonacci, mark the order block, and so on and so on and so on. That's how you do it, and be eating the market and be eating the market. If by any chance, let's mark this out now. If by any chance you mark your Fibonacci, you mark your order block, and you see it's passing, the market came down, it touched it, it went up, it came down, touched it, and passed it. This is another important thing we're going to be looking at. But for now, just know what are order blocks. That order blocks are followers, like they are like children of break of structures. They are like children of break of structure. And one thing I'll remind you, for an order block to be valid, for you to know that this order block is valid, there will be fair value gap. There will be fair value gap. And what is fair value gap? When there are three candles, so I can draw it like this. Okay. First is candle here, this candle here, this candle here. As you can see, in between these three candles, this one is a space between this other two. You see, this one that I marked out is a space between this other two. So we'll mark this one as our FVG. Why? Because it's like a space between candlesticks. So for an order block to be valid, we will have fair value gap, which is our FVG. If you don't understand, you can just ask your questions on the comment section, and I will do well to reply you in our next video. Thank you.